Yo, what's up guys? This is going to be video number 4 about the 12-step copywriting formula tutorial. And in this one, we are going to present your credentials. Okay, so this says, in most cases, after you have introduced yourself and your product or service, your reader is thinking, quote, yeah, sure, he can fix my problem. That's what they all say. So now it's important to hit them right away with the reason you can be trusted. So here we go. Here we go, yo. All right, now this, let's just quote. I like this one. Oh, that's actually right there. All right, well, we'll do that later. Before we go any further, let me tell you a little bit about myself and why. Now I know what you're thinking. Yeah, sure, he says. Talks a big game. Why should I listen to this idiot? And you'd be absolutely right. Why should you listen to me? After all, don't literally all of those stupid marketing gurus promise the same thing? Buy my course and you'll make in the next 48 hours. Learn how a 17-year-old decoded Google's algorithm to cure cancer and make himself rich in the process. Sign up for my webinar and I promise you will be making 5 figures a month before you can say chargeback. Before you can say no refunds. I get it. I was the same way. I bought so many courses, watched so many videos, and read so many goddamn sales letters that I couldn't stand. Developed a severe phobia towards anything that even remotely looked like a funnel. That's why I put off learning copywriting for so long. I was fortunate enough to have other skills to pay these bills. Some of you might know me from Steemit, where I am known as Yala Poppy, a straight shooting, no nonsense business minded Jew who tells it like it is and puts everyone to a higher standard, including himself. At least that's how I see it. New funnel. Maybe you know me from YouTube, where I make videos about the snake diet, otherwise known as prolonged fasting. Sure, you take business advice from a guy who makes YouTube videos, doesn't without wearing a shirt? I don't know. I probably wouldn't. But hey, here we are. Maybe you even know me from Instagram. I would post my deepest, darkest thoughts and mildly inappropriate pictures of women I personally lightly muscled women I can't help but find attractive. Why am I even talking about this? I've been talking about this. Oh, right. All right, so like, if you're a copywriter, like, don't do this for your copy, right? Like, this is like, I'm kind of stretching the attention span of my reader now because, you know, a lot of the people who I will be promoting this to will know me from one of these channels, and they kind of know my sense of humor, and they, I think, will find the congruence of this effective or refreshing, at least, right? Like if you talk to somebody in one way most of the time, and then as soon as you try to sell them something, you talk to them in a different way, that kind of disconnect is going to like rub them the wrong way, right? So that's what I'm thinking. All right. Who I am. Point is that I've been spreading my seed seeds all over the internet for the better part of a year and a half. There's so much content out there that you can read about me, I've created, that I've put out there. Much of it to do with marketing, sales, and getting the most out of your sad, short, your fortunately short and unsatisfying human life. Said before, if you want to say one thing nobody can say about me is that I'm inauthentic. So if you don't believe what I'm saying, who I am, then you can just stop reading right now and go do something better with your time. Maybe watch one of my YouTube videos. Remember to subscribe. Alright, now again, this is like way too tongue-in-cheek for what you're going to be doing, and I'm there's a good chance I'll edit this, right, and take some of this out. But I hate the very bland. Like, this is one of the reasons why I didn't put any digital marketing stuff on my Facebook page for so long, is because I hate seeing that on other people's pages. That like fake smile, like wearing a suit, and they use these like stupid corporate buzzwords like, I'm going to help you achieve your goals. I'm going to add value. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. It's like, bro, get the fuck out of here. We know you don't give a shit about that. Why don't you talk like a normal human being? Sorry for my profanity. It's just very agitating for me. Okay. So that's basically it. I'm probably, like this section, I'll probably go over and rewrite this more than the other ones, but you get the idea. Basically in this, you want to just tell them who you are and why you're qualified to talk about this. Okay, now when it comes to ClickFunnels, right, like I don't, I could say, like, essentially the whole point of this is that I've got 200 ClickFunnels affiliates, which I don't. I have one, but like this is a sales letter that I will write now, and I will actually show to this guy, Bill, and I'll say, hey, Bill, guess what? This letter's already written, So like once we get some success, like, once this actually happens, this is the sales letter, right? It's already ready to go, Once it actually works, like this is going to be $500 in your pocket for everybody who buys anything from this site. You understand? So I'm kind of like doing it in reverse, so to speak. Okay? Don't know if that made sense. Anyway, there we go. That was number 4.